Do you know in English language to say this house belongs to Ram, we can just write Ram's house. This pen belongs to Sita, we can write Sita's pen. By listening to the next few minutes, you are going to learn how to use apostrophe for possessives. Let's get started. Apostrophe. We use apostrophe for the following uses. One is contractions to show the omission of letters. Possessives to form possessives of nouns. In this video, we are going to learn possessives. A noun which contains an apostrophe s is used to show possession or ownership, or that there is a relationship between two things, or that something belongs to someone or something. So this belongs to, this ownership, this relationship is shown by possessives. For example, this is Ram's house. Instead of saying this house belongs to Ram, we can say Ram's house. Just by adding apostrophe s to the noun Ram, we can show the possession of that house to Ram. They are Geeta's parents. That means the parents belong to Geeta. We can write just by adding apostrophe s at the end of the noun Geeta after that apostrophe s. Let's learn how to write these possessives. For singular nouns, whether it is ending with s or not ending with s, we add apostrophe s. In the examples like the owner's computer, the dog's tail, the girl's song, all these noun doesn't end with s. We formed possessives just by adding apostrophe s. In the example, the actress car, the class project, the princess dress, these nouns end with s. So we can add apostrophe s, or just by placing apostrophe we show the possessives. That is why for these nouns, the actress, the class, the princess, apostrophe s or just apostrophe shows the possessives. Next, singular nouns with two or more hissing sounds are formed possessives just by adding apostrophe. For example, in Jesus, so sus, two hissing sounds are there. In these, to show possessives, we just place apostrophe at the end of the noun. The Moses law, two hissing sounds, just place apostrophe to show possessives. For conscience sake, just placing apostrophe shows the possessive. Next, plural nouns not ending with s. See, children, men, people, these nouns are plural and doesn't end with s. They are formed possessives just by adding apostrophe s. The children's classroom, that means the classroom belongs to children. The men's wear, the people's right. Plural nouns ending with s, just place apostrophe at the end of the noun. Two dogs kennel. So dogs is a plural noun that ends with s. So just by adding apostrophe at the end of dogs makes it a possessive of kennel. Three friends band, four books cover. Compound words, nouns which has more than one word. For example, brother-in-law, three words are present. For these kind of compound words, just by adding apostrophe s at the end of the word makes it a possessive. For example, my brother-in-law's money, apostrophe s should be placed at the last. My daughter-in-law's car, in this example also apostrophe s to show that car belongs to daughter-in-law, apostrophe s is placed at the end of the word. For two or more people, add apostrophe s. If both nouns own the same thing, the apostrophe s is placed after the last noun. See, in the example, Ravi and Shekhar's house will be ready by tomorrow. The house belongs to both Ravi and Shekhar. Then we should use apostrophe s at the end of the two words. In the next example, Chaitu and Hemu's car is old. Here the car belongs to both Chaitu and Hemu. One car that belongs to both Chaitu and Hemu. Then we should place apostrophe s at the end of the two words. A similar situation but a different one. Next one, if both nouns possess different things, then the apostrophe s must be added to each. So example, Ravi's and Shekhar's house will be ready by tomorrow. In this example, there are two houses. That is, one is Ravi's house and Shekhar's house. So we should write Ravi's and Shekhar's house. We should place apostrophe s individually at the end of each noun. There are two different houses. Chaitu's and Hemu's car. In this there are actually two cars. One car that belongs to Chaitu, one more car that belongs to Hemu. So Chaitu's and Hemu's car are old. Let's summarize. Apostrophe we use for two reasons. One is contraction, the other is possessives, which shows ownership, belongs to, or relationship between someone or something. For example, Ram's house, Geeta's parents. And we have learned the rules to write possessives or noun just by adding apostrophe s to singular nouns, whether it is ending with s or not ending with s. Only with apostrophe for singular nouns with two or more hissing sounds. Apostrophe s for plural nouns not ending in s. Only apostrophe for plural nouns ending in s, and for compound words and for the words with two or more nouns. To get these notes in the form of a mind map, click on the link below. To know how far you have understood this topic, click on the link below to write an assignment. Until we meet again, don't underestimate the power of a student. Thank you.